tailgate. Fifth wheel prep. Get your plugs there. Power side steps. Does have massage seats. There's your van. Start it up here for you.
Get up to 60% off now through President's Day.
59,597 on the miles. Cruise control. Tow package, 4-wheel drive, locking diff, heated, cooled seats, brake exhaust, lane assist, 360 camera. This is a rebuilt title. Did have, looked like something fell on the roof, kind of damaged the hood and the roof. See, it's all been fixed up. Check out our inventory at Real Deal Auto.